tutorial. This video is to show you how to update the Java on your computer if you're having a hard time getting the StatSimsJava programs to run. This is the step that you'll need to do to remedy that. So we'll want to start off at Google, and then let's try Oracle Java download. And search for that. And then this top link right here should take care of us. So I'm going to click on that. And then you should see something like this pop up. These do change over time. The most current version of Java is Java 12 at the time I'm doing the video. As long as you have a version of Java that's 9 or newer, even the newest versions of 8 or newer should work, you'll be fine. But it doesn't matter if it's gone on to 13, 14, 15, that's fine. You don't want to do this NetBeans things. That's more if you were a programmer. So we're going to come over here and do this Java download. So I'm going to click on the download. And then get some overview stuff that you can read, but you're going to want to scroll down here to where the kits are. They used to have just a runtime environment. It looks like now you get the whole development kit, but that's okay. It still has the runtime environment as part of it, which is what you need to make these programs run. You have to click on the license agreement before you click download, otherwise it won't work. I'll go ahead and purposely mess that up and show you what happens, because it happens a lot to people. I'll quickly talk about the Mac version. I'm on Windows here, but if you were on a Mac, you would want to choose one of these two. I always do the DMG files. You download that, you double click on it, it opens up like a drive, and I think it might even just have you slide something over into your applications folder to update your Java, but this is the link that I would use on my Mac if I was updating the Java. For Windows, unless you have a really old computer, you should have a 64-bit processor, and so that's what we're going to choose. I like the executable file, so I'm going to show you that one. So just click on that one. And because I was talking, I forgot about how I had not checked the accept license. So it's no big deal. It just pops up a thing right there to remind you. So I'll click on accept license and then go down and do that again. Alright, and a few seconds to download this depending on your internet speed, but it shouldn't be too long. So we're waiting for this little blue circle to go away to kind of indicate that the whole downloading process is over. If that's not gone and you try and show the file, it usually doesn't work well. So it looks like we're almost done with the process. There we go. So now if you click on this little up arrow, you can do show in folder, and that'll just open up your downloads folder. And the JDK or Java installer should be right there, and you can just double click on it. So I'll do that. And then it may take a little bit of time to open. It went fairly quickly here. So do I allow this to make changes to my computer? Yes. And then it's going to pop up the installer. I may get a problem here because I've already installed Java 12, so we will see what happens. But basically it's a lot of clicking on next, 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 next to get things to install. So yeah, so it's saying this has already been installed on my computer. Would I like to reinstall it? So I'm just going to go ahead and click no here, but that's basically the process. The main thing is finding the right file. I always like to make sure that I use Oracle as part of my search so that I'm not getting Java from some extra site. Oracle are the people who write Java, so I always want to make sure that I get it from that source so I'm not getting something strange. So I'm just going to go ahead and click no, but you would say yes to install, and then it's basically just next, 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 next until it gets through the process. And then once you've installed it, I would encourage you to go back to your StatSimsJava folder, which you've hopefully already downloaded, and then just run on one of the programs like the Powerball Sim to make sure that it opens up and is working. Alright, hopefully that gets you a smooth update on your Java so that you can get to using these programs that we're going to use in our tech projects all semester. Alright, that's it for this video.